What's up guys, TradingWIll here. My channel name used to be CryptoWill. The reason I changed it is because I trade mainly Forex. I do crypto to help a lot of people out that don't know how to trade the markets, just for educational purposes. Just like these videos, okay, they're educational purposes only. Trading is a risk and I'm not a financial advisor. So please use money you can only lose and take these videos as educational purposes only. Please visit my website freedomtraders.net down below in the description if you want to further your education, get some paid education, some real education, and not some BS that people teach you. And I'm going to dissect GBP JPY this entire week. It is June 9th. Okay, so the week from right here, the 3rd all the way to the 8th. We're going to be looking at all the possible trades that we could have took, and this strategy is very powerful, and I'm going to show you what we do, but I'm not going to show you where we enter and how we identify the high and low of the day. But I'm going to show you how powerful the high and low of the day is. If you want to get the training, the paid education, to learn how we identify the high and low of the day and get these entries, then please visit the website and get the paid education. My goal is to change 100 people's lives by 2019, get them earning some consistent money. So if you want to be a trading boss, not learn the BS, then feel free to take some action. I'd love to help you guys out. It is a video training course, but I also will do weekly webinars on the weekends, most likely. And you guys can ask any questions as I'm going over the market that current week. Okay, so Sunday opened here. We do not trade Sundays. Okay, in that blue box is Sunday. You see the period separators. Okay, we come into Monday. Here's our first trade. We have a double bottom at the low of the day. Now guys, you can't trade just any double bottom. It has to be a low or high of the day. That's why I said get my educational course. If you want to stop blowing your accounts and learning BS, hop in the course and learn how to really trade. And this trade just happened to profit us a hefty bit. Okay, so we hit that low of the day there. We're riding it out. Okay, so we catch about 150 plus pips on this one move. Okay, we do not re-enter in this trade. I'm sure you could have, but just following the rules of the high and low of the day, there was no highs and lows of the day until here. Okay, but we're in this buy position and I'm not really worried about this mess right here. Okay, I'd rather wait for something cleaner. This is more all consolidating and whatnot. Okay, so we catch about 160 pips on this one position for 2 days. Not bad at all. We moved our position break even, and we close out about 150, 160 pips. That next day we see the high of the day made, and we see it's also a multiple high of the previous day. So we take the sell entry at the high of the day. See the double top, the high of the day, and we write it down the rest of the week. Okay, and we bank a nice another 150 plus pips on the sell. Okay, we could also re-enter on this position right here at the high of the day, and we drop back off. So now we have two positions. Whoops, wrong one. Sorry guys. For another about 100 pips, 90 pips. So we caught about 200 pips on this move and about 150 pips on this move in 1 week using the high and low of the day. Let me break down EU. EU, the market opened right here. Okay, we do not trade Sundays. This Sunday happened to play out well. You see a double top at the high of the day, and the second leg dropped the market. But we do not trade Sundays. Okay, Coming into Monday, we see the double bottom at the low of the day, right here. Look at the second leg. Shot the market up for the rest of the week. This doesn't happen all the time, okay? Sometimes I'll just trade the second leg. Sometimes I'll hold the position out and try to more swing trade it. You will learn all of this in the paid education course. I just want to give you some value and some real non-BS value. Okay, you don't need half of the shit that people teach you to be profitable in the Forex markets. I'm showing you exactly how these markets work every single day. They work in a cycle. So we have the low of the day here. Guess what? The next day, we have another double bottom at the low of the day. That's our second position on EU. Okay? And we don't re-enter anywhere else. So we caught about 150 pips on one position, and the next position we caught about another 100 pips. So 250 pips on this one position. Well, two positions, my bad. So let me clear out this chart real quick. And then we come up on this day and create the high of the day. So that's when we close out our positions. There was a multiple high, close out our positions. And we caught this leg down. That was the next move. Look at the next day. We create the high of the day. Double top, the high of the day. And we catch this leg down. This happens every single week. 100 pips on one position. The next position, about another 70 pips. Boom, we're done for the week. Using the high and low of the day. Guys, this is some powerful shit that hardly anyone goes over. Why? Because 90% of traders teach the BS. That's why 90% of traders never win in the Forex markets. That's why 90% of traders fail in the markets, because 90% of people teach BS in the markets. A lot of people teach and don't even make money trading. Literally, they make more money off selling people education than actually trading. I'm actually making training to actually help people with non-BS information. Okay? There's no point in trying to trade by myself. I want to help other people grow now. It's boring trading by myself. I want to build up a team. But you need to be dedicated. You need to be patient. If you're not dedicated, if you don't want to be dedicated, and you can't build up that confidence and patience and have the right mentality, build up the right mentality, and even if you fail, you get right back up, I don't need you on the team. I'm being legit straight up with you. Okay? Like I said, I'm a non-BS teacher. I don't like going through all the BS. I just want to get to the straight facts and show you guys how to trade. It's not hard as people say it is. It's because half the shit they say doesn't work. Or it does, but it's not consistent. There's no point in wasting your time. And people can argue with me and say there's no way to find the high and low of the day. Yes, there is. Yes, there is. Okay? They just were never taught. So people think this is a risky strategy. And it's completely not. It's because they were never taught the strategy. I was lucky to learn this strategy. I found someone who actually taught me how to trade the markets. He actually makes over 6 figures plus easy in the markets. Because I went to a non-BS teacher. And I teach non-BS now to my students. Okay, I can dissect every single day for you. You guys can go back and look at the chart yourself. This is some non-BS stuff. Look at this. An M, double top at the high of the day. Look at the second leg. And this was NFP, guys. It works with news. It lines up with news. This is how the Forex market works. The markets already know what's going to happen in news. They set it up for us before it even happens. No one was ever taught this, ever. Rarely anybody knows about the high and low of the day. I'm giving you some free value. And if you actually want to learn how to identify the high and low of the day, then you can take action. But I still want to give you some value. Look at this. This was a multi-session. Low of the day, low of the week. Market shot right back up. Look at that second leg. This happens time and time again. And I guarantee half of you, more than half of you, 80–90% of you have never been taught this ever. And the course is cheap. I see people charging thousands to learn BS. Right now I'm only charging $199. That won't be there for long. Once I get enough people in, I'm raising the price up to $299. So if you sleep on the offer, you sleep on the offer. Don't be mad if you come and say, okay, I want to get the training and it's $299. I'm warning you ahead of time, it's $199 until it hit a number of students, then it's going to be risen. Okay. But I want to show you some free value with the high and low of the day. It's TradingWIll here. Peace out.